Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevy in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of an all-new 2020 Chevy Traverse. This all-wheel drive Traverse comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, black Chevy decals, and 20-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium speaker audio system, our all-weather floor mats, jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seating, push to talk, front collision alert, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevy. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.